Hey, welcome back. Karen here with Vegan Gluten-Free Life. Today's recipe is an easy vegan mac and cheese. No dairy, no cheese. So how do we make it? Really simple ingredients. We have 2 cups of cooked potatoes, a cup of cooked carrots. We have 1 cup of plant-based milk, vegan mayo. We have nutritional yeast. This is what makes the cheese sauce cheesy. We have turmeric, garlic powder, onion powder, and we have some salt. If you want some pepper, that's great too. Large saucepan, and we'll heat it up so we can pour it over our noodles. Enjoy this easy vegan mac and cheese anytime. Subscribe, share, and let me know how you made it your own. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay home. See you soon. So good. Bye.